Evil! Ha ha ha! Buckle up! Oh,
Do-gooders.
where are you?
Do-gooders.
They're up on that giant Euro!
Yeah, it's a cheesesteak!
This is Sarah Haddle, downtown with...
Do-gooder? What? Did someone say do-gooder? Flippy? Flippy! Ha! My plan worked! And you brought a friend! You're in for it now, Dogman, because I programmed that fish to destroy do-gooders.
Destroy all do-gooders.
Say bye-bye, Dogman! What? Oh, wait, what are you doing?